It's 2012 Ram with the 2013 headlights, smoked fogs, rigid dualies to come. It's a 20-inch Rigid Industries E-Series hybrid spot driving combo. This is the 54-inch RDS with a Unity spotlight with the Rigid Industry Hyper Spot. It's a little dirty right now, but it's a country truck. The trucks are for it. This is a Whelen Industries Scene Light. In the back, I have Rigid Industries backup kit, and these are Whelen 6-inch spots, but I put the diffuser in them. It really gives you a lot of light when you back up. But the smoke tail lights really cuts down on the reverse lights. Again, the Whelen Scene Light actually come in really handy, lighting up ditches. But there she is. She's bright, real bright. Compare it to guys with the Chinese lights, and there is no comparison. So, and again, I'll probably update this, but I'm getting the dualies fog kit from Rigid Industries. So, enjoy. Thank you.